Hello, everybody.
Appearances.
All right. Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Mandernack for the people, P84088.
And good morning, Your Honor, Robert Joseph, P33195.
What are we doing today, gentlemen?
You know, I discussed this matter with my client and
All right. Mr. Bonham, you understand your rights and the options those rights give you?
Yes, sir.
And you understand the purpose for an exam?
Yes, sir.
You understand that if you waive the exam, that means your next court date is at the circuit court level, not at the district court where we're currently at.
Yes, sir.
You understand, and understanding all of that, are you waiving that exam freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, sir.
Counselors, are you satisfied with the waiver?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'll enter the waiver. AOI date is going to be 2 weeks down the road, 31st of the month, 9 a.m. Anything as to bond?
Yes, Your Honor. The people would like to address bond.
Currently, my file shows it's 5,000, 10%, no contact, and cannot return to. We all on the same page?
Yes, Judge.
Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, I have spoken with complaining witness, and she has emailed me several ring videos that I forwarded to defense counsel. Complaining witness indicated that defendant has been coming over to her house, specifically on July 9th at 2 o'clock in the morning, and on July 10th at approximately 4 p.m. The ring videos, which I've shared with defense counsel, have they show defendant knocking on the door, and when no one answers the door, defendant goes to the rear of the house where complaining witness indicates her bedroom window is, and he knocks on her bedroom window. Complaining witness indicates that defendant is repeatedly calling her. She indicates that when she arrived at court this morning, she went to park and defendant approached her car on foot. Defendant went to move her car, complaining witness went to move her car to the front of the building, where an officer watched her park and escorted her in. Complaining witness indicated that at some point during this incident, defendant told her what happened to you not coming to court. She stated that during the incidents where defendant appeared at her house, she was not present for, I believe, the 7-9 incidents at 2 a.m., but she was present for later incidents. She indicates her sister was also present for some of the incidents. She indicates that defendant, that when she did not answer the door because she was at work, I believe on 7/10, defendant was calling her and asking her where the fuck she was at. There was, again, on 7/10, there was another incident where defendant blocked complaining witness into her driveway and threatened to, and I quote, he said, I will, quote, I will smack the shit out of you. Or I'm sorry, I will smack the fuck out of you. So based on these safety concerns for complaining witness, I would ask for revoke defendant's bond and hold him in custody.
Your Honor, this is interesting because the complaining witness texted my client on June 1st saying, trying to get back together, in more crude terms than that. He texted her and says, well, tell me when your company leaves. So then when the company leaves, she texts him and he goes back, he goes over there and he lives there with her for several weeks, almost a month. He does landscaping, he's taking care of her kids. And these situations did deteriorate, but these events that the prosecutor talked about on the first of those events, on the 9th, she texts him and says she wants him back, come over. He comes over, no one's there. So my client kind of had a loss as to you know, it's like go away, come back, go away, come back.
Where would Mr. Bonham get the idea that a bond set by a magistrate in this building could be changed by the complainant?
I don't know. I don't know, Judge. In fact, it's not. My advice to my clients generally is whatever the bond conditions are, that's what you abide by. No matter whether the complaining witness wants you back, bygones or whatever, because these kind of things happen, unfortunately. you want to know?
Yes. Your Honor, I have no intention on going back. She asked me to come get my things, and I went to retrieve my things, and they weren't where she told me they were. And that is the only reason why I was not going to do it. You know, she asked me to come back. We have a child.
Half a dozen times you went back to get your
No.
things?
No, there's no half a dozen times. I went back.
How many dates did you just give
He's
me?
talking about the 9th.
So I went there on the 9th, but she asked me to come.
In spite of the court order that you not have contact with her and not go back to that address? Just so we're clear, correct?
understand that, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
She initiated the contact with me, and I thought that we would make amends. And you, as you know, I came before you. In the meantime, from the first when I went back, and she didn't come to court for the other matter that was before you, and you dismissed it because I thought that we were okay. And the only reason we're here today is because I hurt her feelings.
No. That is not the reason you're here today.
No, excuse me, not trying.
You violated your bond condition. Had you not violated your bond condition, her happy, her unhappy, wouldn't have you in this discussion right now.
I understand that, Your Honor.
That's the problem.
And
And see, here's the thing. Quite often when we order a no contact, it's not to protect the victim, it's to protect both parties from each other.
I understand.
Anything else?
I think I said that I'm aware of.
Mr. Bonham, anything else from you?
Your Honor, only thing I ask for leniency. I do understand the severity of it now that I've seen the two, sides come out.
How many different dates do we have him on the Ring camera after he was told not to go back?
On the Ring camera, she has not sent me all of the Ring camera yet. I have reviewed about 10 videos so far, and they are for July 9th and July 10th. She indicated there were additional incidents that she has not sent me the Ring camera yet, and also we have.
Well,
the
let's
incident
just cut to the
today.
chase. What's going to be on those big Ring cameras?
On the Ring camera, you'll see me coming and going on. She gave me another key after she changed the locks and we got into it.
What days?
On June 1st, she asked me to come back, and then she gave me another key and granted me access to the home.
Okay.
And whenever I came there, I let her know, this is.
Hold on. I'm just asking you to tell me what days are the Ring cameras going to what days will the Ring, sir, I know I'm not asking you a very good question. I'm trying to. On what dates will the Ring cameras confirm that you were there with her permission?
Every date that she sent, I was there either with her permission or by her asking me to come get my things.
And how many different dates were those?
Where I was there to get my things.
No, where you were there in violation of the bond.
I was living there, sir.
Bond revoked.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm sorry, Judge, the AOI date was 7/31/24.
Correct.
Thank you.
And I do need signatures on the waiver.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's do that. Council, we're going to change the AOI till next week, just in case.
24th,
Yep.
24th is, what day is?
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
At 9 a.m. downtown.
Thank you, Heather. Good catch.
Well, I have a trial starting Thursday, on Tuesday, so I should be there Wednesday morning.
You can be here Wednesday morning?
No, I have a trial starting on Tuesday in Murphy, so I should be there Wednesday morning.
That means your guy's in jail an extra week.
No, he said he's gonna be there too, the trial already started.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, where do I sign?
Defense, or nope, that's defendant attorney.
It's bugging the judge.
Thank you. Yeah, I know, it's like I'm not-
Well, here's what bothers me. I believe that he went over there because she invited him.
No.
But I got to enforce the bonds.
I tried to write it here. I've been making an effort.
I don't doubt that she invited him over every one of those times. And I don't doubt that she's mad at him now. But if I don't enforce this bond, how do I enforce the bond on the guy that is bent on bad?
And for the record, Judge, several of the videos do show defendant that appears trying a key in the lock, and it doesn't work.
It's like, damn, how many times does a woman have to screw you over before you just start ignoring her?
Could you please send me copies of those text messages if you have them?
I don't have it done.
That was an epic quote. Thank you so much for coming out tonight. Be safe, be well, sleep sweet, and much love.